Good morning, kindergarten. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. How are you feeling? I miss you all and I hope you have a great day. Love, Miss Goodrich. Your first job is to say the vowel sound in each word. So the vowel sound is also called the middle sound. I'm going to read you your words and then you can look at the slideshow to see which letter is missing. See if you can figure out which vowel sound should go in each word. The first word is run. The next word is jam. The next word is fox. The next word is pen. And the last word is zip. So you can see you have the first sound and the last sound, but the sound in the middle is missing. So you have to figure that out for each word. You can say the word, you can write the word, you can take a picture of it and write it on your iPad, whatever works best for you to practice. Next, how many words can you say or write that rhyme with this word? So the word is hop. What are some words that might rhyme with hop? I gave you one example, mop. Hop and mop are rhyming words. See how many you can think of. You can write them down, you can make a circle map, you can say them, you can make a song. Again, whatever works best for you. How many of these sight words can you read? Maybe you can read all of them. Maybe you want to make sentences or write a little story about all the sight words you know. Pause the video and practice your sight words. Last, keep on practicing counting. It's so good to count every day. Maybe you want to find the Count to 100 song on YouTube with your grown-up. Remember, you can count to 10, you can count to 20, you can count to 100, you can count backwards, you can count by twos, you can count by fives, you can count by tens. Any way you want to practice counting is just fine with me. So pause the video and start counting.